Hey everyone, it's Lucas from iExplore, and today I want to give you guys a quick tip. I want to talk very briefly about exposure compensation, what it is, how it works, and what's actually happening in the camera when you use it. So on your camera, most cameras have this, you'll see a little button. It's got a little plus and a little minus on it. This is called exposure compensation or changing the exposure values or EV. It's got a bunch of names. Sometimes it's in the touch menu, whatever. What this does is you can change the brightness of a picture when you're shooting on an auto exposure mode. So not on fully manual, but on like aperture, shutter, or something like that, right? Or P, program mode. And the way it works is you put it on +1, and that makes the photo brighter, or you can go 2, 3, and so on, or you can go -1, -2, and that makes the photo darker. And all I want to make sure that you guys understand today is what exactly is happening when you do that. So I'm going to take a bunch of photos. I'm going to turn around, I'm going to take 3 photos. I'm going to take one on -1, on 0, and +1, and then we're going to show those photos, and I'll explain the difference in the settings. All right, so I just took 3 shots. One of them was -1 compensation, the other one was on 0, and the last one was on +1. So those numbers, this -1, +1, these are what we call stops. And in photography, a stop is always either half or double the amount of light in the shot. So because my ISO was the only thing set to auto in that moment, my shutter speed and aperture were fixed, then what ended up happening is the camera took a photo with an ISO of 500, 1000, and 2000. But if I had the shutter on auto or the aperture on auto, it would have changed those things as well by a total of however many stops you've chosen. So in my case, I had -1, 0, +1, and that's how it changed. All right, guys, that's it for that quick tip. Stay tuned for more quick tips from iExplore, and remember always, challenge your eye.